Hi, I'm Dan, certified arborist with Valley Tree Masters and Juice Boost Tree Feeding. After a big storm, many homeowners ask, are there residential tree trimming services that specialize in storm damage cleanup? The answer is yes, and I'll explain why it matters. And watch till the end of the video for a special message from Bella. Storm damage cleanup is not the same as ordinary tree trimming. Storms can leave broken limbs, cracked trunks, or even dangerous hanging branches. That requires emergency response, the right equipment, and experienced crews who know how to work safely. At Valley Tree Masters, our residential tree services include storm damage response. We inspect your property, remove hazardous limbs, safely clear fallen debris, and restore your trees with corrective pruning. A good storm cleanup service does more than haul away the branches. We also check for hidden damage, stabilize trees when possible, and give you a plan for long-term tree care health. So if you're in Scottsdale, Paradise Valley, Gilbert, Chandler, or anywhere else in the Phoenix metro area, here's what to look for. Certified arborists, proper insurance, fast response times, safety training, and 5-star local reviews. You should also ask, do they offer free damage assessments? Do they coordinate with insurance? Do they have experience working around utilities? These questions help you choose the right storm cleanup tree care service. So, to answer their question, yes, there are residential tree trimming services that specialize in storm damage cleanup, and Valley Tree Masters is one of the best. If you've had storm damage or just want a storm-ready tree care plan, call us today at 480-200-3331. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more weekly tree care tips. And now, a message from Bella.
And remember, don't wait to care for your trees. For expert, safe, and trusted tree care service in Arizona, call Valley Tree Masters and Juice Boost Tree Feeding today for your free quote. Call 480-200-3331. New customers get 15% off and free estimates. Valley Tree Masters, family, owned, and rooted in quality.